The worst thing that is keeping most anxiety sufferers in the cycle is to react to their symptoms. That's what most anxiety sufferers do, and that's why they have been in the cycle for years, for weeks, for months, because you are reacting, you are not responding. You are always fighting, you are always seeking reassurance, you are always worrying, you are always figuring out, you are always trying to make it stop, you are always trying to make it go away, you are always doing something about anxiety, and that is what we call the second fear. That is the worst thing you can do to your anxiety. The first fear, there's no issue with the first fear. There's no way you can control it. The disease, the heart palpitations, the chest pains, the restlessness, the shakiness, there's nothing you can do about that. You're already in the cycle. But the second fear is what you have control over. Actually, the first fear, the dizziness, the heart palpitations, the shaking, the things, the intrusive thoughts, the emotions, those things that you fear the most, they are not actually the problem. Yes, they are scary, but they are not the problem per se. You are the problem. You are the one standing on your way to recovery. You're always fighting, you're always seeking reassurance, you're always asking ChatGPT, you're always trying to run away, you're always avoiding. These are the things that are making you stay in the cycle. If you do the opposite of what anxiety wants, if you just sit with the discomfort, if you just accept being uncomfortable, if you just sit in the fire, you'll be able to sit through anxiety, you'll be able to overcome anxiety. You have to show your brain that it's only anxiety, there is no threat, and the brain only works with what you show it. So if you're always reacting in fear, you're always reacting in panic, whenever you're having anxiety symptoms, that's how you'll always react, because that's the information you have put in the subconscious part of the brain. Be ready to be uncomfortable, sit in the discomfort, sit through the fire. Of course, these symptoms are uncomfortable, but the way out of anxiety is through it.